Hey there, and welcome to SkillsForge Pro. Today, we're diving into an exciting Canva AI feature, how to turn any photo into an anime-style cartoon in just a few simple steps. It's quick, easy, and takes less than a minute, so let's jump right in. First, start by uploading a photo of your choice. For this tutorial, I've picked this beautiful picture of a brunette lady. Make sure to adjust and position it properly on the canvas. Next, head over to the Apps section in Canva and search for 3D Portrait. Once you select it, you'll have the option to keep or remove the background. For this first test, I'll keep the background and click on Generate Image 3D. Now we just wait a few moments for the magic to happen. And here's the result. A well-done anime-style portrait. But wait, do you see it? The AI made a little mistake. The generated character has 3 hands. Yeah, AI still struggles with hands sometimes, so keep that in mind when trying this tool. Now let's test it again, but this time with background removal enabled. Let's hit the Generate button and wait a few seconds. And here it is! The transformation looks pretty cool, but as you might notice, the background removal wasn't perfect, especially around the hair. It left a slight gray tint. So, is this tool perfect? Not quite, but it's still a fun and easy way to create anime-style images from your photos. If you found this tutorial helpful, let me know in the comments what Canva tricks you'd love to learn next. And don't forget, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. See you in the next one.